this resolution is passed by this House, the government will consider the question of legislation for the creation of these services. I read the provision in Article 312, and I know that the creation of these services is possible only by a law that we have got to bring forward a bill and pass it into law. But as far as the condition of service and all other things are concerned, they are also to be regulated by Parliament. Therefore, my suggestion is that these things should be determined by rules made under the proposed Act, and the authority to make the rules should be delegated to the government in that respect, so that after everything has been gone into a proper decision is made both in regard to the conditions of service and also the proportion for recruitment, for direct recruitment and by promotion. Parachain. I have seen executive officers working in the states drawn both from the IS and the provincial executive service. Normally, IS officers are deputed to the states, and during their posting, they are under the control of the states. They are posted according to the recruitment of the state. I think the same principle will be followed in regard to these all India services also, but it will be desirable that officers serving in one state should not be allowed to remain there for a very long period. They should be taken back from the state and given to another state, or they may be allowed to work in the center. But as far as the administrative control of these officers is concerned, that will be with the states, but at the same time, because they are all India officers, all disciplinary proceedings and action taken in consequence thereof is to be taken by the central government in consultation with the Union Public Service Commission. Parachain. There is one thing more, and that is this: although these officers will be serving in the states and will really to a certain extent replace the present state officers, still I feel that additional expenditure on administration will be necessary. To think that it will not any additional expenditure is, I think, not a correct notion. The finances of the states being what they are, all the elastic resources are with us, At the center, it is not possible the states to bear any further burden if any additional expenditure is involved in the creation of these services. That burden must be borne by the center and not transferred to the states because this expenditure is on central services.